ama m ga-watch gị interview anụwa Bamba melu Igwe Credo. Igwe Credo bụ this guy ya na ojazzy Igbo niile furu ọja na Ojapiano Kcee. Na that interview, the guy na-akwa that na Kcee akwụrụ ofu ụgwọ after ka fa fụchara that ọja, that na Kcee has settled all fa till date, that even to take them for shows, na Kcee ekwere take fa for shows. And according to the guy na-akwa that na ya na Kcee na fa reach or fa sign or any agreement, any document up that na ya gbalụ Kcee that na ọ bụ na this egwu apa into market, that na the only thing fa chọka Kcee melu fa Kcee ikwunye fa n'ọkụ. Na fa chọka Kcee mee for ka fa dị popular, at least ka fa solugo gain go popularity through the music. But after ka the egwu pụtasị, na Kcee just abandon them. That na Kcee is not even taking them to shows. Maybe puff herself, at least take good fun at the video the egwu go. To the extent na Kcee make the Kcee jolly guy show. Kcee je put another person then I pretend as if none of the oja. Instead of the original guy for that oja, that Ojapiano. So the guy will gonna call David Kcee out in that interview. Now, here now a lesson called to Igwe Credo and ojazzy Igbo niile, because I want to blame them to an extent. I record that when this music put off on a trend, the video puta people afro ojazzy Igbo niile na that music, na that video, the music. Ndị mmadụ sense that na Kcee did not appreciate those guys well. Mgbe people be na drag Kcee na that because of that reason. The same Igwe Credo anụnwa ya na ojazzy Igbo niile mere video that time. Now na everybody should mind their business. That na fana Kcee has to go. That na nwere issue with Kcee, that people should just stop poke nosing. The same anụnwa now. So now, after almost going to 7 months or close to 1 year now, the same you now that was online and I was going to the one else going to mind their business that na Kcee has settled alone. If I'm not mistaken, maybe because about time where the man they drag Kcee with time we see openly one do over a queer name. But no one of them that now don't BBC Igbo. They make Kcee interview. Pasalo that Ojapiano. Kcee now acquired that na for him to even take ojazzy Igbo niile ya na Igwe Credo to studio is a very big blessing for them, because if not for him, they couldn't even imagine it. So which simply means that na Kcee is even looking down on you guys. Kcee did not rate you guys. That's why to the extent when they show I'm carry these guys along, and it's very very bad, because this Ojapiano now bring Kcee back to music industry. Otherwise, Kcee take a can be last. Put the Kcee back. People na choose my Kcee of tipuzi egwu. But all this Ojapiano be make them bring your Kcee back to music industry again. And all the very bad that na the handy the person in melu that egwu you will go viral, because many people will get that egwu. I find like egwu about oja. And I'm sure that na the whole people go the egwu na the whole world that oja be interested for the most. All the very bad that the melu the guy made that oja appreciate. To the extent that the guy can call this guy out online. All the very very bad. In where you can take this guy along, at least you need to go to show. In where you can carry the guy along. Now the video the egwu, in where you can kill the guy, but I this guy for that oja. And there is a very big mistake. Igwe Credo again ojazzy will not make a mistake. You can get to a project without any signed document. Name that based on our Kcee Diego, not accept him or what. And then we friends in our business. Won't try by into that kind of project. No one can sign any document. At least on no as no yet by agreement on Kcee reach. And can just no evidence for you to show now. And a Kcee, Malokwa Maluna. Those are the Maganga. This guy is signing a look down on. They are the one that bring you back to music industry again. So remember that tomorrow, you will need for tomorrow. So okay, pagi mana, me meli yo fuma makechi. Because I'm not going to bundi aje go nija afo. Ndi nature go as if that they will know. Okay, mani meli yo fuma. Emali na you go see make these guys as an appreciation for that oja go back and do it now, because tomorrow you don't even know when you're going to need these guys again. You don't know. You did not appreciate these guys well, and that was the reason why people started dragging you immediately after that video of that music came out. So please go and do that thing you're supposed to do now, because only thing that most of you in the Southeast top musicians are not like, I don't know if I use the word greed. Don't know. You people are not carrying your fellow brothers along. Even the ones who made them carry along, I only use that because of because of one the popular made me know. All the very, very bad. Look at what Davido is doing over there in Yoruba land. Now if you whiskey name. Now if you Olamide media. If how fast a book to their people. All the very bad though. This guy is getting more popular. This guy for that's your music is getting more popular than this now. Or is getting richer than this now. All the very bad that no teacher Igwe now. Won't be any sign you go see no will go bataliaka since you teacher Igwe. But you are parading yourself. You are gaining from everything. Because you those guys. Forget about whether my sign an agreement with you or they don't sign an agreement with you. Those guys. Do it. Because that's most of them akayangana.